안녕하세요. 린린TV의 세린입니다. 여러분, 오늘의 저의 컨텐츠는 보다시피 제가 또 오랜만에 스쿠버다이빙 장비를 착용하고 있죠? 네, 맞습니다. 곧 제가 어디로 떠나기 때문에 이렇게 오늘 스쿠버 다이빙 하는 영상을 준비했고요. 어딜 갈지는 기대 속에 남기기 위해서 오늘은 정말 짧게 업로드 해보도록 하겠습니다. 그럼 오늘 영상도 잘 지켜봐 주세요.
What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want.
여러분, 사실 이거 SMB 연습하러 온 게 제일 컸습니다. 연습하고 있는데 잘 안 되죠? 제 손에 안 익어서 난리가 났어요. 역시 연습은 꾸준히. 다시 한번 듣겠습니다. 오늘도 저의 린린TV 시청해주셔서 너무 감사드리고요. 저희 린린TV 구독과 좋아요, 댓글, 그리고 알림 설정까지 꼭 잊지 마세요.